Usambut Menteri Rangba ka jela uba sngau bhalang dhar ula pentep ba ka Meghalaya bat Assam shen kinsa sedang biang no ya ka jingya keren ban penbet ya uput usam ha ka jela ka baar na ka benta ki hinriu teli ki wei pat ki jaka badang sa teng. Habai keren syakilat pathai khubor uba sngau bhalang ula ong baha kapor ba ulai kendu ya Menteri Rangba ka Assam Uhimanta Biswa Sharma ha ka jingle niambe dingklam ula kerpat ya u ban khot nok loya ya ka jingya lang. Halor ke jinglong jingman halapangam West Jantia Hills uba dhar ula ong ba hadin ke jingya kendu bat ke kenhun nong mikman na ketika tan dalap ba kumba prapo persen na ki jing e kila dap ban penben bat tang kendiat ki kam ki badang sa ki ba an sa penben ha ki sngi banwan.
I told him, sir, since you have, it seemed they have already formed a regional committee from their part, I told him, I requested, as soon as the committee is full-fledged form, so let us know, we'll let both the committee will be once. He said, okay, very shortly, meeting will be called. Local problem, so I told him, don't worry, mostly 80% of the problem has been solved, that is slightly few problems, so we'll be able to solve it in days to come. The farming now is smooth, no problem, they can move here and there. Yes, there is some extra request from the people of Lapanga. We should discuss more thoroughly with the other side of people of Karbi. So we'll take, tomorrow I have fixed a meeting with my DC. So we'll discuss this issue tomorrow after festival. No problem, not exactly. I mean, there is slightly problem because we had discussed that time, you know very well that for this fruit plantation or all this fruit or it can be plant. So this is the only part we are yet to discuss more.